Hello. This video is being made to show you how to set up iGoTrapping and GoTrapping for the first time. As you will notice, the very first page that opens up is the map page. The settings button is in the upper right hand corner. To get to the settings button, please click on the settings icon. When the settings page comes up, you'll notice you have 3 display settings. These are for your traps. You can set it to display active sets, pulled sets, or potential sets, or all 3 of the above. With GoTrapping, you have the ability to use it during the trapping season, or you can also use it for scouting during the off season. You have the ability to use set names. If you choose to not use set names, it will just default to the GPS location for the set. You can use trap inventory. Trap inventory is very critical. If you choose to use trap inventory, you get an alert. And it's telling you that before you can make any sets, you have to set your inventory. So you can see I'm choosing to use it. And then you can also check to use a trap line. Once you have your settings, it goes back to the map page. Now you have to go to manage data to set your trap inventory. So you can see I've got nothing in my inventory. If you click on the name of the trap, you see the page list that comes up. You choose a name. The next page that comes up is the size. You choose a size. You type in a number for the number of traps you have and then click add. And you'll notice that that inventory is shown there. Again, you have to have an inventory before you can set traps. You also have the ability, as with all of our apps, to create a new trap or use your own trap names. So to do that, I just set add trap. I typed in the name of test 1, and now you can see I am adding that into the inventory as well. And you'll see that I'm also choosing 10 traps for that trap name. So now that I have some traps in my inventory, we're going to show you how you can set your first trap from the comfort of your office or from your house. So as you can see, I have got the map page up and I chose to use the satellite view. To be able to set the trap, you want to zoom in on the map absolutely as much as you can, and you simply press and hold the map until you see the trap appear. Tap the trap, and now you can enter in your name, because I did choose to say that I wanted to do a name. Trap line, I haven't added any trap line, so you can see I first have to add a trap line, so I'm adding a trap line to the system right now. You can see there's my trap line name. And now the set type. Again, you have the ability to add whatever set type you would like. I'm just using one of the defaults. You can see the inventory that I have for the traps. Now I am setting a lure and I'm setting a bait. And again, the lures and the baits can be configured with any names that you would like, and you do that the same way that we added a new trap. You can also take notes of your set. If you would like, you can even take a picture of your set. Now this is going to be a picture of my office where I am making this video, but you can do this from out in the woods as well. And so now you can see that that picture has now been associated with that set. You can see it says new set right now, and it will say that until I refresh the page. There it goes. So now it shows test 1, so you see that that set is named. And that is all the information about that set. Now, obviously, the most accurate way to do a set is being actually out in the woods and letting the GPS do it. I should say I'm showing on here how you can see that it did adjust the inventory. Again, inventory is very critical. If you say you want to use it, you have to make sure you set it, and you have to make sure the number of traps is correct, and you cannot go to 0. Anyways, thank you very much, and we will have more of these videos in the future.